Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Allahumma rabbi zidni ilma. Sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Ameen. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. In this lecture, I will discuss simple expansions and the prediction of the term or the value of R according to the requirement in the simple expansion. Well, these are some examples of simple expansions. In simple expansions, there is just one x which is a numerator. So if there is just one x and x is a numerator, then the expansion is known as simple expansion. And the prediction of the term or the value of R is possible. In simple expansions, the prediction of terms and R is possible. Let's understand how to predict the value of R in simple expansions according to the requirement. So this is given 1 minus 3x whole power 13, and this is a simple expansion because there is just one x which is a numerator. The question is find the term in x power 5. So to get the value of R, just compare this requirement with this x with power R. First write this x as x power 1R and then equate this with the requirement to get the value of R. This is the way to find or predict the value of R in simple expansions. So for x5, R will be, write this here and then copy this x with power R, 1R in fact, because this is 1. So x power 1R. Since we have same basis, so we can equate their powers, therefore R is 5 and the term will be 6 because n, the term number, is always one more than the value of R. So in this question we need to find T6 to get the term in x power 5. So T6. So according to Tn formula, write 13C5. This is 6, so this number is 1 less than this number. The first term is 1 and the second term is negative 3x. Make sure you must take second term with its sign while using Tn formula. Just solve this and get the answer. Another example. Well, in this question, we need coefficient of x power 7. Since this expansion is simple, because we have just 1x with power 1, there is just 1x in numerator. So, for x power 7, we need to compare this x with power 1r to x power 7, which is the requirement. So, write x power 1r is equal to x7. This x will become x power 1r. So R is 7. So for the coefficient of x power 7, we need T8. And you can do this yourself if you want. T8 will be 12C7. You can complete this yourself. So you'll get coefficient of x power 7 very easily. Another example of simple expansion. See, there is just one x and the x is in numerator. We need coefficient of x power 10. So we just need to compare this x with power 2r with x power 10. Always write this x with power r. So we have x square, so it will become x power 2r. Here we had just x, so we wrote x power 1r. So x power 2r should be compared with x power 10 to get the value of r. So r is 5. So you just need to find T6. So this is the way to find T6. The power is 8, power of the expansion. Since we have 6 here, so this should be 5. A power 3, 8 minus 5, 3, and this is 5. and the first term is 3 and the second term is x square. You can complete this yourself. Another example of simple expansion from past paper. Well, the coefficient of x cube in this expansion is 100, meaning this is 100x cube in terms of x. So the question is, find the value of constant. Since both expansions are simple, so we can easily predict the term. See, this is x, so x power 1r is x cube, so we need t4. Similarly, we need t4 here. So we will find t4 of both the expansions. So t4 of this expansion, 6c3, 1 power 3 minus 3x power 3. So 6c3, let me check this, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6, 6, 20. So this is 20, this is negative 27, and this is x cube. So 27 times 20 makes minus 540 negative. So coefficient of x cube is negative 540 of this expansion. Now find coefficient of x cube of this expansion. Again we need t4, so it will be 5c3, the power of the expansion is 5, and the first term is 1 with power 5 minus 3, 2, and the second term is ax. So 5c3, I think it's 10. Let me check this. 5, 4, 2. I don't have calculator, I'm sorry. So I have to do these calculations manually. 3, 2, 2. You can't cancel 3. 5c3. 5, 4, 2, 3, 2, 1. Let me check this again. 5 into 4 into 3. 3 into 2 into 1. So 3, 3 cancelled, 2. So 10. It's 10. So this is 10. A cube x cube. This will remain 1, or this will become 1. Now we just need to compare this plus this with this, because we have positive sign between the expansions. So minus 540, the coefficient of x cube in the first expansion, plus 10a cube is compared with 100 with this coefficient. Now we can easily get the value of a. I think 640 divided by 64, so a is 4. So this is a way to solve questions of this type when the expansions are simple.